Hi friend, Satish Tiwary here. Today I am going to show you how you can install Ngrok in Ubuntu Linux. So this is my Ubuntu Linux. So you can see this is my Ubuntu Linux. Inside this I have run my Apache web server. And if you want to check the IP address, let's check the IP address of this machine using ifconfig command. So first of all, let's clear the screen and then run the command ifconfig. So if this command not found, then install the application sudo apt install nettools. Okay, so you need to install this package. Once you install this package, what you will see here, nettools command will be installed, and then you will be able to see the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.29.127. So if you open this in this browser, 192.168.29.127, you see the Apache web server page. Okay, this is the Apache default page. Now, if we want people to open this website, your website, even in remote network, you have to do port forwarding, and for that you need Ngrok. Okay, so you need this software. So go to the official website and click on download. Okay, now if you want to download, first of all you have to sign up. Okay, so accept all this, and you need to, you can see this is for Linux, and you can download this file. And after downloading this file, you have to extract it. So all the process has been mentioned here. So just click on download. Okay, once the file has been downloaded, what you need to do, you need to run this command. So open that folder, right click here, open in terminal, and then paste that command you have copied. Okay, type your password and done. Okay, so we have done this in user local bin. User local bin. Now what you need to do, you need to run this, but for running this auth token, you have to sign up. So click on sign up, log in with your Gmail ID. So let me log in with my Gmail ID. Okay, and now I go to the download section and I will copy this file. Okay, so I need to copy this. Once copied, what I need to do, I need to run this in the command prompt. So you can see auth token saved to configuration file. Now Ngrok is perfectly running in my system. Now I can run this script Ngrok, then HTTP and the port number 80, and it will generate me a link. You can see this link, and if I click on this link, this will open. You can see, let me copy this, or we can click on open link. This link will open Apache's default page. Okay, so even you can copy this link and you can go to the web server. You can see here, you can paste it here, and you will see the Apache default page on this link. Anyone with this link can open my website or Apache web page. Okay, anyone. So in this way, you can transfer your local machine to the remote machine. So your private IP address can also communicate with the public IP address in the internet. So thank you for watching. If you still have any doubt regarding installation of Ngrok in Ubuntu Linux, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you.